now we're not meant to be in our lives. Oh, what you want to know? Come around back to the time that I see everybody's looking at me with their eyes, and they know what you're feeling and want to be. Because you do me harm. So baby, don't go. I want you to know, baby, don't go. I want you to show, baby, don't go. I want you to know that my baby's feeling so damn tired. She let me go. Said everybody's happy. Can we grow up and be strong? And will we climb the highest mountain, realizing true love feelings, separate ourselves from greed? So we stand up and be strong. We never gonna back away. We never gonna back away. Now we see what we're meaning every time we want to find feeling in the ones we know and need. And when we find out what we're feeling, separate ourselves from the greed and realize that love is free. So we stand up and be strong. We never gonna back away. Time to let me go. I feel still need your love, 'cause it's a slow burn breaking my heart. 'Cause it's a slow burn breaking my heart. Run around while people always notice why you and I, we live and we just walk in today. Oh, still need your love. You pushed around and you told me to leave. Baby, wanna feel what I needed from you to show. and straight right down the middle. She told me not to run when I came up to her. Instead, she looked me up and down and she said, hell no. So I backed up to the corner and I ran myself away. Turned to the side just to see what she would say. She looked me again as I approached her, and she said to me, hell no. Bitch is a bitch, the name she knows. That's the way she always goes. That girl, she knows just what to do to you. So I backed to the corner and I saw another man approach her. He looked her up and down and he said, I wanna find you, your number, your sign, your time, you wanna be with me. She looked at him and she said, hell no. Backed up to me, then he ran himself away. Looked her up and down again, deep with that eyesight. But then again she approached him and said, to you, hell no. Bitch is a bitch, the name she knows. That's the way she always goes. That girl, she knows just what to do to you and me. A bitch is a bitch, it's the name she knows. That's the way she always goes. That girl, she knows just what to do to you and me and you and me and you and me.
Here's our first real show, real gig, as our band, our new band, Steve and I, everybody here, Intoxicated by Nature. And what that means to us is that we're intoxicated by everything around in life, in the world. You know, playing music is intoxicating to us, and to have people come down and feel the vibe of what we're doing is really nice. Intoxicated by nature.